feeling very excited and very eager to start the workshop. I think it's going to be a different experience since we are having this on-site, face-to-face. I believe the experience will be unique and different since we are doing this with instructors and in this lovely and wonderful gathering.
I'm very excited because I know it's a good batch of highly ambitious professionals joining the January 2023 cohort.
Yeah, very excited. We've been waiting to meet these people, and some of them we've met before, some of them we've only spoken on call. It's good to put a face to the name, and it's a delight to see them happy.
Hopefully the journey will be very interesting, and we will gain as much information and knowledge as we can.
Workshops is a great opportunity for the student support team to interact with the students and to build that relationship, help us facilitating the communication between us and our students. And this is also an opportunity to remind them that the student support team or the student advisor are there to help them, to answer their questions, to facilitate this new journey that they are about to take. We are the student support team, and we will be with you every step of the way.
Oh yeah, it's interesting. It's actually a new subject that we're studying today. It's about central bankings and what's happening globally around the financial crisis and all of that. So it's really interesting. It's something I wanted to understand. So yeah, we're doing that.
Day 2 has been very interesting, very eye-opening, very informative on all areas. It's exactly how I thought the MBA is going to help me adapt to the new world situation that we have.
And what normally happens when they deliver a presentation? Because I know it happens on day 3 of the workshop.
Well, presentations are important during the workshop. We call it part of Manchester method. So it's a Manchester Business School pedagogical method. Presentations involve looking at a live case and working in groups under time limitation because it has to be done during the workshop. And they get to know each other as well because in business you also learn, and students don't just learn from the academics like me, but they also learn from each other because they all have business experience, they have different expertise. So by working in groups, they learn from each other, but also teamwork is important. So it's reflecting the assessment. So during the workshop, they improve their teamwork, presentational skills, and also working on the time limitation to deliver something, and then they are assessed on that basis.
So the presentations had really been helpful. It's the culmination of what we had learned in the first 2 days of our workshop, where we basically apply the concepts and analyze how it applies to the current global challenges that we are facing.
It's been great. Everyone's been really, really welcoming. I think the lecture has been fantastic. I've learned so much, and it's been really good to sort of get an idea of sort of the broader financial system. I think we're doing financialization at the moment, and yeah, it's been really helpful.